All of you know cos of a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. All of you know sin square theta can be written as what? 1 minus cos square theta. RHS is what? 1 minus 2 sin square a. Means all the functions you convert it into sine. So if you want to find cos 3a, you should know the multiple angle formula for cos 3a. What is cos 3a? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. All of you know a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of compound angles. So 2 mark questions. Prove that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, and then 2 cos square a minus 1, then 1 minus 2 sin square a. So we need to prove cos 2a as this, as well as this, and as well as this. See, first we'll take 2a in the form of a plus a. Can we write 2a as a plus a? So we'll take 2a as a plus a and we'll continue. So first let us consider cos 2a. Can I write cos 2a as cos a plus a? Now if you observe, this is in the form of cos of a plus b. All of you know cos of a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b. In the place of b we have a again. Cos a b. So cos a cos a minus sin a sin a. I am using compound angle. So all of you know the compound angle formula. What is the formula for cos of a plus b? All of you know cos of a plus b can be written as cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus what? Sin a sin b. So now here it will be cos of a plus b. We can write cos of 2a can be written as a plus a. Now it is in the form of cos of a plus b. What is cos of a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here it is cos a cos a minus sin a sin a. What is cos a into cos a? Cos square a minus sin a into sin a sin square a. So we got it. This is what RHS. So now we proved. So we proved cos 2a value. What is cos 2a? We proved cos square a minus sin square a. So one part we got. We proved cos square a, cos 2s, cos square a minus sin square a. We proved till this. Now I need to prove this. So now we need to prove 2 cos square a. So further continuing. So let this cos square be as it is, cos square a, and minus sin square a. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. All of you know sin square theta can be written as what? 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square a, I'll write 1 minus cos square a. Now that is cos square a minus, open the brackets, minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square a. Now further if you observe, we have cos square a plus cos square a. Cos square a plus cos square a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is RHS. So we proved cos 2a as what? 2 cos square a minus 1. Similarly, they want you to prove cos square a as 1 minus 2 sin square a. So same cos 2a will take, and we already proved cos square a as what? Cos square a minus sin square a. I'll use this. And now cos square a, convert it into sin square a, because RHS is what? 1 minus 2 sin square a. Means all the functions you convert it into sin. Here we have cos, you know cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square a. Instead of cos square a, I am writing 1 minus sin square a. Then we have minus, put minus as it is, and then sin square a. Now if you observe, we have 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a is what? Minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. So this is RHS again. So therefore we got the proof. Therefore cos 2a can be written as cos square a minus sin square a, or we can write it as what? 2 cos square a minus 1, or we can also write it as 1 minus 2 sin square a. All three proofs we have done. First arrive at what? Cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a you take it as cos of a plus a, and it is in the form of cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Simplify, you will get cos square a minus sin square a, then substitute to get the required value. Now going ahead, prove that tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Again 2a can be written as, all of you know 2a can be written as a plus a. So in the place of b we have a again, and we use tan compound angle. What is tan of a plus b? All of you know tan of a plus b can be written as tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula we use to prove. So we'll take LHS. What is LHS? We have tan 2A. So take LHS. LHS is tan 2A. And all of you know 2A can be written as tan of, in spite of 2A you can write A plus A. Now it is in the form of tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan of A plus A can be written as tan A plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A. So further simplifying this, we have tan A plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A we have. Was it not? So that was the last step. So now what is tan A plus tan A? So these two are like terms. Tan A plus tan A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A is tan square A. This is your RHS. Hence the proof. Therefore, we got multiple angle called tan 2A. What is tan 2A? In the list also I gave. What is tan 2A? Tan 2A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. This is the value of what? Tan 2A. We converted 2A as compound angle A plus A and we use tan of A plus B to get the answer. Next, if cos A is 4 by 5, find cos 3A. So they gave cos A, they want you to find cos 3A. Use multiple angle formula. So directly use the formula of cos 3A. So dear students, cos 3A is what? Cos 3A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula for what? Cos 3A. What is cos 3A? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So here they want you to find cos 3A. So cos 3A can be written as 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Most important question repeatedly asked in your papers. So minus 4 cos cube A means what? Cos A the whole cube minus 3 cos A. Now cos A value they have substituted. Substitute. So they have given cos A value. What is cos A given in the problem? In the problem cos A is 4 by 5. In the place of cos A put 4 by 5. 4 into 4 by 5 the whole cube minus 3 into 4 by 5. Further simplify this. So you will get 4 into 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 4 cube divided by, it will be 5 cube. Then we have minus 3 into 4 by 5. Simplify this. 4 4s are 16. 4s are 64. 4 into 64 divided by 5 5s are 25 into 5 125 minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 5. Further 4 4s are 16 1. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 256 divided by 125 minus 12 by 5. Further take LCM and simplify. So for 5 and 125 LCM is 125 and 256 minus if you divide 5 and 125 25 5s are 125, so it will become 25. 12 into 25, 25 12s are 12, 5s are 60, 0 6, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 6 30, 300. So you will get negative 44 by 125. So value. If you take LCM, okay. So now 12 25 is a 25 2s are 55, 25 1s are 25 plus or 12 5s are 60, 0 6, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 6 13, so it is 300. Yeah, written here. No, so here they want you to find cos 3A. So if you want to find cos 3A, you should know the multiple angle formula for cos 3A. What is cos 3A? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Cos 3A, sin 3A, tan 3A. All three values you should memorize so that you can apply. Then prove that cos 2A by 1 plus sin 2A is equal to cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. They want you to prove cos 2A by 1 plus sin 2A is equal to cos 1 by 1, sorry, cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. There are two methods. We can take RHS and we can rationalize, or we can take LHS and we can simplify. And here this is made up of cos and sin. So cos 2A formula all of you know. Cos 2A can also be written as what? Cos square A minus sin square A. we can use this. And sin 2a formula, you know what is sin 2a? Sin 2a you can write it as 2 sin a into cos a. Now we'll use these two multiple angles to solve. So we'll take LHS. LHS is cos 2a divided by 1 plus sin 2a. Now substitute for cos 2a. All of you know cos 2a can be written as cos square a minus sin square a. Further, denominator is 1 plus sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. So here we have cos square a minus sin square a in numerator, and in denominator we have 1 plus, denominator is what? 1 plus 2 sin a cos a. 1 plus 2 sin a cos a. Observe numerator carefully. Numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. All of you know a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So cos square a minus sin square a, I can write it as cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a. And again, if you observe carefully, denominator we have 2 sin a cos a, and this is 1. 1 can be written as sin square a plus cos square a, so that I can compile it. So now 1, instead of 1, here we have 1, instead of this 1 I'll write it as cos square a plus sin square a. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. So instead of 1 I'll write cos square a plus sin square a, then plus we have 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a into cos a. Further we have cos a plus sin a into what? Cos a minus sin a. Cos a minus sin a divided by, in the denominator we have a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a square plus b square plus 2ab? A plus b the whole square. So I can write this as cos a plus sin a the whole square. Do you agree or not? Cos a plus sin a the whole square, if you expand, it will become cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a. So this whole term, cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b the whole square. So it will become cos a plus sin a the whole square. Now 1 cos a plus sin a, 1 cos a plus sin a, and cos a plus sin a, one term cancels. Whatever is left out, write it. That will be your RHS. What is left out now? Cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a. This is the RHS, hence the proof. This is what they want you to do. One of the interesting problems, because here, see, what is the logic we used? If you see, we used 1, in spite of 1 we wrote sin square a plus cos square a, or cos square a plus sin square. So in the place of 1 I substituted, here we have 1 I wrote cos square a plus sin square a. Then it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b the whole square. Next, prove that sin a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos a plus cos 2a equal to tan a. So now substitute the value of sin 2a and cos 2a. What is sin 2a? All of you know sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a into cos a. And you also know that cos 2a can be written as, so here in we have cos, so I can write it as 2 cos square a minus 1, or you can also write cos square a minus sin square a. So now let us consider LHS. What is LHS? We have sin a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos a plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos a plus cos 2a. Now numerator is simple, sin a let it be plus sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. Denominator, see, I have cos 2a in denominator. Cos 2a, if I write 2 cos square a minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancels, I will be left out with cos square a plus cos a. In that, if you take cos a common, like that we can try. See, in numerator I can take sin a common. In denominator, we will try to simplify and get the terms. Here in numerator, if you take sin, see, decision making cos 2a, we have 4 formats. One is in terms of sin, the other one is in terms of cos, the other one is in terms of both sin and cos. So now 1 plus cos A, let it be. So plus, instead of cos 2A, I'll write 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square A, so that if you take sin common, you can cancel. Okay, let it be 2 cos square A minus 1, I'll write. So further I have sin A plus 2 sin A cos A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 2 cos square A minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancels. In numerator I can take sin A common. If I take sin A common, I will be left out with 2 cos A. So this will become 1. Sin A, if you take common in numerator, sin A is out, so this is 1 plus 2 cos A. In denominator, 1 cancel. We have cos A plus 2 cos A, 2 cos square A, and in these two terms I will take cos A out. So in numerator we have sin A into 1 plus 2 cos A. In denominator also I will take cos common. If I take cos A common, I will be left out with 1 plus 2 cos A. So now you can observe this, 1 plus 2 cos A, 1 plus 2 cos A are present both in numerator and denominator as product, so I can cancel. 1 plus 2 cos A, 1 plus 2 cos A cancels. What is left out? Sin A by cos A. What is sin A by cos A? You know, sin A by cos A is what? Tan A. Sin by cos is what? Tan A. So this is your RHS. So I hope all of you got this. Here sin 2A was there. So this particular sin 2A, we wrote it as what? 2 sin A cos A. And here we have cos 2A is there. We wrote it as 2 cos square A minus 1. Why? Because denominator means made up of already cos. So it will become easy for you to simplify. Show that tan A is equal to tan of A minus B plus tan B by 1 minus tan of A minus B into tan B. I want you to prove this. See, in this case, use your brains. See here, LHS is a small term, RHS is a big term. Compressing a big term is easier than expanding a large term. Otherwise, A you should write A plus B minus B. See, there are two methods. You can take A as A plus B minus B. And the second method, take RHS and compress, anything fine. Both the methods I will show. So one method is taking RHS and arriving at LHS. So we will take RHS. What is RHS again? RHS is tan of A minus B plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan of A minus B into tan B. Numerator, tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B can be written as tan of A plus B. Tan of A minus B plus B. Denominator, 1 minus tan of A minus B. Numerator, now just careful observation. I'll assume. So now we have a big term. In spite of a big term, let me assume. So let A minus B value, I'll take it as say x. Then the problem reduces. I can write it as tan x minus plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan x into tan B. Now if you observe, it is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A plus tan B into 1 minus tan A into tan B, I can write tan of A plus B, tan of x plus B. So what is x? Substitute the value of x. What is x? A minus B. So now if you observe, it is in the form tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is tan of A minus B. All of you know compound angle. What is tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B, tan of A plus B. What is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So now here this tan x plus tan B by 1 minus tan x into tan B can be written as tan of x plus B. Now substitute the value of x. What is value of x? A minus B. In the place of x, put A minus B plus B. Plus B minus B cancels. We have tan A left out. This is your RHS, LHS. So we took RHS and we arrived at LHS. I started from this right hand part and we got LHS, tan A, hence the proof. Other method is, I'll take tan A as tan A. Can I write tan A as tan of, add and subtract B, A plus B minus B can I write? Now A plus B, I'll assume, let a plus b, I'll assume it as x. Then the problem becomes, this is our assumption, tan of, instead of a plus b, it will be x minus b. First I add, instead of a, can I write a as a plus b minus b? Plus b minus b cancels, it will be a. So I wrote tan a as tan of a plus b minus b. I am adding and subtracting b. Now this whole term I will take it as x. Now it is in the form of tan of x minus b. What is tan of, or I will do minus b and plus b, because we have to depend on RHS. So add and subtract, or subtract and add, whatever, plus b minus b. So now it will be x minus b. Here a plus b minus b. So now what we need to prove, in terms of a minus b they want. Same problem we will do by other method. Same problem I will do by other method. You can see a minus b. What I will do, I will take LHS. One method I thought that is also better. Take RHS, arrive at LHS. Other method is tan, what is given, tan a they give. So tan a LHS, I will take LHS. LHS after observing RHS, RHS is made up of a minus b and b. Can I write it as a minus b plus b? So if I means a value I am writing it as a minus b plus b. If I add and subtract b, this two cancels, it will be a. Why I should add and subtract b? Because I saw RHS, RHS is made up of b. So I should introduce b. So I have done it. Let x is equal to a minus b. Then the given problem becomes tan of x plus b. What is tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So further, that is substitute. What is x? X value is substitute. What is x you assumed? A minus b. In the place of x put a minus b plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan, again x we have, x means a minus b into what? Tan b. This is your RHS. Taking LHS you can arrive at RHS, or you can take RHS and arrive at what? LHS. Anything is fine. See, dear students, please sit and revise all these problems and attend my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.